Welcome back to the Credible Dev YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about OneDrive on Linux and how to get it installed, up and running, syncing, and everything. I know that's kind of a no-no thing, having a Microsoft product on Linux, but sometimes we can't avoid it. Maybe you work for a company or a client that requires you to use it, and you need to be able to set it up. And it's not something that Microsoft offers, but there are open source applications and tools that will help you set up OneDrive and get it syncing. There's also a GUI application, which is great. So we're going to go over that today. And the project that we're looking at, the open source project that gives you a command line based utility to set up and sync OneDrive, is from, I'm not sure how to say their name, so I'm probably going to butcher it, but it looks like a Broneg, maybe. I'll have a link down in the description to both this and the GUI application in case you're interested. So this is the website for it. It's a GitHub project. You head over to this website, have a link here for build and install from GitHub. When you click on that link, it takes you over to the GitHub page that has a list of most of the Linux distributions, along with information about compatibility and some notes on how to install it and things like that. So right now, I'm running EndeavourOS, which is an Arch-based Linux distribution. I have a blog post that you can also check out that goes over this in a text-based format if you would rather do that than watch the video. But when I wrote that blog post at the time, I was on Manjaro, but they're pretty similar. But one thing about my EndeavourOS install is that I don't have a GUI-based software package manager like PAMAC installed. So we'll be doing this from the command line. But as you can see here on the page, when they talk about Manjaro or Arch, they actually tell you to use PAMAC, but I don't have that. So we're going to be using Yay from the command line to get this installed. So go ahead and pull up a terminal and we'll type Yay dash capital S OneDrive Renee. Enter, and then keep the default. Keep the default there. Proceed with the install. Let's go ahead and let this finish. All right, so once that's finished, the first thing that we need to do is get it synced up and get it tied to our OneDrive account. And how they do that is when you run the application, you'll be given a link to go to in your browser. And when you go to that link, you're going to have to authenticate with Microsoft in your OneDrive account. And then in the URL bar, the address bar, you're going to copy and paste the result after you authenticate. So to do this, we will type OneDrive here in the console and hit enter. And here's the link that it's telling us to go to. We'll copy that. So we'll just copy this link. We'll open up a new browser tab, and then we will go to that page. And depending on whether you're already logged in or not, you may or may not be asked for credentials here. Yes, we'll access our info. All right, so now we get taken to this blank page, and this is where we want to copy this. And then we're going to go back to our terminal, and we're going to paste that in. And then we'll hit enter. And now it is successfully tied to our account, and we're able to synchronize. So you can do this from the terminal, or if you want to do the GUI application, which I'll show you in a moment, you can go ahead and do that there too. I believe if you installed this and then you install the GUI application without doing the part that we just did with like connecting the account, I believe the GUI application will prompt you to do that as well, so you might try that if you don't want to do it through the terminal like I just did. So on the terminal, in order to synchronize, first we want to kind of do a dry run, which isn't going to actually sync anything. It's just going to test everything out. So how we do that is we'll type in OneDrive, type -- synchronize. Then we'll type -- for both. And then we will type -- dry - run. Then we'll hit enter. And you can see it said sync was complete and there's no error, so everything should be good. So now if we want to synchronize and actually grab the files, we will run that same command, but with just the -- synchronize. So go ahead and run that. You can see it downloading some thumbnails that I have on there. It's not much on the OneDrive. And now it tells us that the directory that's going into is in our home directory in a folder called OneDrive. So probably need to refresh this to see it. Oh, sorry. I had it sorted by modified date for another reason. So anyways, OneDrive and thumbnails, we can see that those are the files that were synced from my OneDrive. So now to do the GUI based client, that's actually a different open source project, and it's called OneDrive GUI. And here you see a little picture of what it looks like. It's it's a pretty nice interface. It's not the same as the actual OneDrive client, but if you're somebody who likes GUI applications and don't like doing as much from the command line, then this would be great for you. So in order to install this, it's an app image. So you can see here the instructions. They do mention that you have to have the latest version of OneDrive for Linux. So if you have issues with this GUI application, you're going to want to make sure that you have the latest version of the core OneDrive client that we just installed a moment ago. And if you get it from the AUR like I just did, or if you built it from source from the GitHub, then you're going to have the most recent version of it, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. And here they have some notes about people who use other distributions. You might have to install some other things, but for the Arch-based ones, we shouldn't have to worry about that. They also tell you that there's a package on the AUR here that you can do, but we're just going to use this app image. So let's go ahead and go to the releases, and we'll go ahead and download the most recent one. And it looks like we have two here, but this one's from October, so we'll download this one. And we'll wait for that to download. And once it's downloaded, we need to use chmod to make it executable. So it's chmod plus x and then the name of the file. We'll hit enter on that, and now we should be able to just run this. Go ahead. There it is. Does a version check, so if you didn't have the most recent, it looks like it would tell you. We'll hit next. Let's see. Not sure if we want to import one or not. Let's see what happens. It doesn't look like there's a config file there, so looks like we'll go ahead and choose to create a new one. Looks like we need to create a new profile. And next, says it's been created. Says we have some advanced options. And it says it's not syncing, so we'll hit the play button here. Oh, and it looks like it's going to take us through that. So if you had downloaded the other one and didn't go through the synchronizer, it looks like the GUI app will make you do it. So we'll go ahead and click this link, and it's going to take us through the same thing we went through a minute ago. Saves. I need to copy this link, put that in there, and log in. It says it's successful, and then it says to start the sync manually. And there we can see the thumbnails are syncing. And there's our new OneDrive folder. I'll have to look into how, if you had already started one with the console version of the client, how you could use it within this one. I'm not 100% sure how to do that, so if I figure that out, I'll update the blog post. But so that's it. Have OneDrive set up and installed on your Linux system. And like I said, if you want more information or you'd like to go over it in a text format rather than this video, you can always check out our blog. It has a full description of how to install and set up, including the PAMAC install in Manjaro, and about how to get it set up with your OneDrive account, everything you need to get started. So if you have any questions or anything, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate you watching, supporting my channel, and everybody have a great day. Thanks.